I greet Odula, Mr. Odula. I saw him. He said, I told you to send me your work experience. You went and send your CV.
I send your CV, you look at it and pick what it
those content on the CV, those content on the CV, they are not enough. They are not enough. So you need to send, you need to, you know the skills you have now in the education. After all, you have BSc degree, right, in education. So you know the skills that you have.
Yeah.
So those skills, whether not 2 or 3, just write it down, send to me. That is the only thing, you understand? Write it down. It is not the CV. Or don't worry, I'll work on that. I'll work on that.
Look at it and see the working experience there and pick what is important.
No problem. I'll do it. Now let me answer Mr. Ogu question. Let me share my screen. You can see, I'm sharing my screen right now. I hope people can see my screen. You can see my screen, right? Now, all of you have a wallet like this, which you know, right? You have a wallet like this. Now, this wallet, I used to open this wallet to you people several times, right? Yes. This one is the TBC we are talking about.
Yes, sir.
You understand? This one is the TBC we are talking about. Let me open it. Let me log into the wallet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, as you can watch my screen right now, you can see I log into an account, right? You can see it, right? Now,
sir.
Here now it's written Kringle. Here now you are seeing Kringle. This Kringle are the smallest unity of the TBC. Okay. Just like you have, we have Naira and we have Kobo.
Okay.
We have dollar, we have cent.
Okay.
We have dollar, we have the smallest change of dollar is cent. The smallest change of Kringle, the smallest change of TBC is called Kringle. Do you understand? The smallest change of TBC is called Kringle. Now, into your wallet, you can see this amount is reading numbers of TBC. Now, under here, you can convert this money to Kringle. You can convert it to Kringle. It will show you how much it's worth in Kringle. In the same way, you can convert it to NG, which is Nigeria currency. It will show you how much it's worth in Nigeria currency. You can also convert it to Ghana currency, to any currency. You understand? So this one now, under this one now, you can find Kringle and you can find TBC. That is the one we have. That is the one we have right now. Now, you have understand the TBC, right? You understand the TBC. Now, when you have TBC account, you want to send money from somebody to another person. You want to send money from your wallet to another person's wallet. Like you want to send money from your wallet to Mr. Odula wallet. Mr. Odula needs to copy something like this in his wallet. Do you see something that I highlight, something that I mark like that? You see, Amabi? Mr. Odula needs to copy it. Once he copy it, then you come to your account, you log into your account, you go to resend. When you go to resend, under this place where the right address, you paste that in where you copy from where Mr. Odula copied for you. Once you paste it under this currency, you select your country currency depending on the country you are. Whether you get Ghana, you get Nigeria, you get anywhere, you select it, you type NG. Let's use Nigeria as example. Once you type NG, depending on the amount, if it's 10,000 naira, you now write 10,000, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000 naira. You now click on send. Then the money will be deducted from this wallet. This is your wallet to Mr. Odula wallet. Do you understand?
Yes.
That is how this one works. Now, let's come to, we call it a cryptocurrency. It's a digital money. You can't see it. You can only see the alphabet. But you can transfer it from one person's wallet to another person's wallet. You understand? We are all fighting and building for the spendability, for the acceptability, the way that it will become globally accepted all over the world. You can see, with the help of LifeForce and some other thing we are doing right now, The future is bright for the coin, for the crypto, for the TBC coins. Do you get my point? Now, when you come down to BTC, we have, let me log into this account, for instance. I have Luno account. BTC is called Bitcoin. You understand? BTC is Bitcoin. It is the short form of BTC is the short form of Bitcoin.
Okay.
As we have TBC, TBC is called the billion coin.
Yeah.
As it be TBC, the billion coin, that is TBC. The short form of TBC is the billion coin. The short form of BTC is Bitcoin. You get it?
Yes.
Now, let me show you how Bitcoin operates. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency. It is also the internet money that you cannot see it, but it has become acceptable globally. It has become acceptable in the sense that even the government are using it. Everybody all over the world, they are using it right now because it has passed those stages that TBC is right now. Bitcoin has passed those stages. Bitcoin is about like 12, 13 years right now, which TBC is like, TBC is 5 to 6 years.
Yes.
So Bitcoin is the mother of the whole cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the reason why the cryptocurrency market starts. You understand? So now, if you want to have a Bitcoin, you need to open Luno account, Rock account, Coinbase, and there is different company provider that provide Bitcoin for you where you can buy. Now I have Luno. What I will need to do now is to sign into my Luno account. I hope you are seeing my screen, Abi. You are seeing my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, when I sign into my Luno account, let me show you. Don't admit fee why they pay. I used to pay from this place. When I sign into my Luno account, I'll put my email address.
Okay.
I'll put my email address. Then I'll put my password.
Okay.
Now, I'll sign in, right? Now,
yes,
the way the system works, for people not, because you may have money worth of 500,000 in your Luno. It just be like say your bank, but in digital form. So the something is very, very secure. Now I sign in now. They still send me info, they still send me some number to my email address for me to go and confirm whether I am the real person that want to sign into my account. If it is another person, the person don't have my email address, he don't have access to my email address or my phone number. So the person will not be able to access my account. Do you get it?
Yes,
so it is very, very secure. So now I will use my phone number to do the verification. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are getting you.
Just try. I'm seeing you. We are coming. The network is bad. Just try. So I will use my phone number to log into. I would like them to send me code on my phone number. So I will click send via VIA SMS. So now they have sent me. This thing. They have sent me code on my phone. So I will put that code into this place because without this code, they will not allow me to log in. I'll put the code.
Okay.
So it is very, very secure. Due to some scammers, some criminals, they will gain access to your account. They will withdraw all your money. They will withdraw all your digital money that you can change to cash. They will withdraw it. They will transfer to the account. Your money don't go without you. You understand? That is why we have. That is why we have TBC. TBC is not like that. Even if somebody withdraw your money illegally, you can report to the TBC technical team. They will see where the money go. They can block the person account and ask the person the reason why you withdraw your money. If the person have no proof to explain, so they will return the money back to you. That is TBC. Sorry for the noise. These people just they make noise for this place. So can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, this people will say that they do nonsense. They are just passing. So Now, now I have signed into my account right now, as you can see on my screen. I have signed into my account.
Yes.
Now, when you look at this place, you see Bitcoin price for up here. You see it? Eh?
Yes, sir.
You see it, Bitcoin price. Now, this Bitcoin price now, you know, when Bitcoin was launched, it is cheap as like, it is cheap. In fact, they are giving it free of charge. They don't even buy it. Just like the small money you pay for TBC today, they will give you plenty money. What of TBC? Some people will be saying, hey, I get plenty billions in my account. I cannot use it. They like the vision. They don't know the vision. You understand? You know, one thing in life is that there is nothing good that comes easy. And you must work over it. You must work over it before it becomes reality. But some of those people, they don't work over it. They don't pay program fee. They don't even invite people to join the system so that we can unite and build the whole system. All what they are after is how can I remove the money? Why will you pay 50,000 and you're expecting to withdraw 500 billion? Is it possible? Are you getting what I'm saying? So there is a rule that every one of us need to play for the system to work. And that the role is this role that you people are playing right now. You understand? Giving the interest, attending the meeting, paying the fee. You see, it's just as if you people have put money in this system. Now you people try to understand what the system is all about. So this is Bitcoin. This is the price of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was there as cheap, nobody even looked at Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was useless, nobody looked at Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin was about 34 million naira each one Bitcoin. But as of then, it is cheap as like, let me say, like 100 naira or like 50 naira or even like free of charge. But now it's about 34 million naira. So this is Bitcoin. You can see it is totally different with TBC. Bitcoin price, as you see, I'm 34 million. Tomorrow, it can come back to 10 million. Are you getting what I'm saying? Tomorrow, it can come back to 10 million. Tomorrow, it can go to 50 million. Next tomorrow, it can go to any amount of million. It can go. Now, this is some of other cryptocurrency. We have BTC, Bitcoin. We have Ethereum. We have Ripple. This one is called Ripple. We have Bitcoin Cash. We have Litecoin. We have Bitcoin saving. So there are plenty cryptocurrency. But all these cryptocurrency are called market-based cryptocurrency. Are you getting what I'm saying? They are called market-based cryptocurrency. They can rise, they can fall, they can rise, they can fall. The cabal are the one controlling the system. The elites, the government, the riches, the world power, the committee of 300, they are the one in charge of controlling the past because the price, because they have invested enough money. The more you invest money to the system, the more the system go high. The more you withdraw your money, the more the system cripple, the system crash. If person like Bill Gates withdrawing his money, Bitcoin price will come from 34 million to like 5 million naira. So if it is not that it was 34 million, you bought 100,000 naira, you are waiting for it to grow so that you can withdraw your money. When Bill Gates withdrawing money, him that invested like 100 billion US dollar, you that invested 100, your own money will come back to 10,000 naira. Your 100,000 will come back to 10,000. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is how the system works. So this Zoom is supposed to be like 30 minutes. Now let me answer the other question. You asked Life Force, right?
Yes, sir.
You asked Life Force. Now, I told you the financial are you watching my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Now the financial system has changed. Power is coming to the people. Humanity, the time has come for humanity to be free. To be free. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is the world structure. As you can see, this is the world structure. As you see, I'm right now in this diagram. The eyes you are seeing, the one with red something you are seeing at the up. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
now, this is the empire. The person in charge of the whole global system is the person sitting on this position. Forget about the government. Every country with their government is under this person's control. The person sitting on top of this, this position there, the one with red that has something like eyes. You understand? So previously, the person that is in management of this system the man was called Manduk. The man was called. Can you hear me very clear? Can you hear me clear? Mr. Ogu, can you hear me? Can you hear me clear?
Yes, sir.
All right.
We
Now,
can hear you.
okay. The man that was previously there is called Manduk. The man is evil man. You can see what is happening in the whole world today. You can see the impact of the COVID-19 to the economy. You can see how the whole economy has been crippled. They want to enslave you. They want to enslave me. They want to control the population. They want to reduce the population. They tell that the population is getting high. They want to reduce people. That is their mission. They want to turn human being into a robot. That is their mission. Do you understand? They want to turn human being into a robot. So it was collaboration with the man previously in this position, the Manduk. Probably there was some crash between the whole system. There was some crash. Suddenly, another person took over the system. You get the system, Abi? Another person took over the system, and the name of the person is Cain. The name of the woman is Cain. Now, Cain is a good woman. She's not an evil person.
Okay.
Now, this person on top of this position, that is number one. You can see after him, we see what? We see monarch. We see Crown Council of 13. We see world highest, most powerful family. We now see committee of 300. This world council, this Crown Council of 13, they are the one that give birth to committee of 300. It just be like say, as you are billionaire right now, you grow, you grow, you grow. Your children is also a billionaire. You understand? So the Crown Council of 13 give birth to committee of 300. Now, the committee of 300, they are the one that give birth to all these organizations you are seeing at the down level. Now, those ones, they are the one that give birth to World Financial Control, the central bank, the tax revenue, the interest revenue, the banking intelligence settlement, the what and what, the World Bank. Then under the World Bank, we also have this platform you are watching. Down, 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 you see World Population Control. You now see in the middle, we have government. In the middle, we have government. In the center, we have the Intelligence Committee. We have the military, the police, the courts, the prisons. These are the people controlling. Am I lying? They are the people controlling. Then on your right-hand side, you see the media. The deep waiting, you see those things. You also see the schools. Now, on your left-hand side, you see the religion. You see Islam, Christianity with other religions. These are the people controlling the population. Now, down, 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 you now see the remaining human beings on earth. That is about 7-point-something billion people that have been under the control of these evil people. Now, this woman has taken over the system. This woman has taken over the system. The Cain have taken over the system. She now said, okay, there is a money that she always signs for all these organizations. They normally send the money for them to use it to develop our city, to take care of the people that are sick, to take care of every place in the whole world. So they are not supplying those money for me and you. Imagine the COVID-19, the palliative they say they are going to give. Do you see the palliative? Do you see it? We do not see the palliative, right? Some of them, they keep it, they even keep it, it's rot into something else in the office. They fail to remove it for people. They lock people down for people to suffer. In the sense that they have said that COVID-19 is real, COVID-19 is killing people. Have you ever seen anybody that has died with COVID-19? We have never seen them. Nobody have ever died with COVID-19. Why people are dying in malaria? They are dying in typhoid, hepatitis, different kind of sickness. They didn't build vaccine for all those things. They quickly go and build vaccine for COVID-19 because they have their agenda they want to achieve through the medium of that COVID-19. With the help of the media, with the help of some of the religion, with the help of these top officials, they are the ones that join together. Now, another structure have taken place. The structure they already know what is happening. They now give all these people notice. They give them notice, the World Bank, the World Health Organization, the United Nations. They give all of them notice. Look at how I want my government to function. If you are against it, I'll give you quick notice. You leave the job. Another person will replace you. This is what became. This is what she did. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes.
You are getting it. I'll push the video. You can still watch it again, over and over again. You understand? So
yes, sir.
The woman said, okay, she's no longer going to give the money that she's supposed to be giving to the government. She will not give that money to the government. She's going to organize an assembly all over the world so that the money will go directly to the people. Because she believes that these people are the people that are close to the society. They are the people that know the need of the people in the society. Do you understand? So this is how they program the whole thing. They now say that is what brings about Life Force, because the people in charge of this contract are called Life Force.
Okay.
Now, KEM is in charge of the world global system. She's one that has the highest authority all over the world that nobody can have challenge. Even President Biden has no power like KEM. Talk more of Buhari, where we say it just be like saying an ant to the eyes of the woman. So their government, it is good. Let them run their government, but they will not be supplied with money. The money is going to go to the people because their contract has expired. Their contract has expired. So now the Life Force, they are now the one that collected the contract. The contract to form an assembly, to educate people, to group people so that they will know what is meant by an assembly. They will know how to govern. They will know how to govern themselves. They will know how to reach to the people. Now, in the TVC community, we already have people that they have been united. They have been attending meetings. The admin have been telling them everything that is happening all over the world, which that is what Life Force needs. The people that have experience, the people that want to work for their people. And we are those kind of people that we know how people are suffering all over the world. Are you getting what I'm saying? So the creator of TBC, he now got the information. He now said, okay, every member of TBC, every active member of TBC should quickly organize themselves so that we can form an assembly, so that we can, Life Force can give us money through projects, so that we can be able to develop our respective society. That is it. You get the system, Abi? So that is how the system is about to work. Now, we are waiting for the whole process, and day and night, me personally, I'm working for the whole process to work smoothly. Do you understand? So all what you people need to do is to be active. People are not yet enough. Even when we are up to 30, they are not yet enough. I still need more people. You understand? I need more people. Okay. I need active people. Bring people. Let's register them. They are going to benefit. All of them will do their project by the grace of God. You understand? Okay. I know what I'm saying. See, yes, the rich starts from your mind. If you want to be rich, it starts from your mind. When you want to change your situation, it starts from your mind. You must have that mindset. You must have that, you must bear it in mind. When you believe on it, it will automatically come to work for you. You can't be sitting at home, you don't do anything, and you expect a such miracle. It can't work. I have been in this system, like for TBC, I've been in TBC for more than 5 years. And I'm still in the TBC. And I always tell people what the system is all about. I have never tell you people that when you join TBC, after like 2 months, you gotta start to withdraw your money for bank. I've never mentioned anything like this. Yes. TBC is money of the people, by the people, and for the people. And Life Force is government of the people, by the people, and for the people. So the vision are similar to each other. That is why we are working working with Life Force. Right now, we have so many connectors, so many connections with Life Force. Even the person in charge of the person in charge of Life Force in the whole Africa is a Yoruba man. He's a TBC member. You understand? The man itself, have ever met with KEM. You attended the meeting last time. The man was there in the meeting, but you came late. I was the host of the meeting. I'm the one that hosted the meeting. So the man said that he have attended KEM. He has discussed TBC with KEM, but KEM said let him forget about TBC for now, because let's focus about what Life Force are trying to do before they will now implement and bring TBC to the system. So now, we are in the TBC member, the money that we have in our wallet is worth billions, trillion, zillion. We are using Life Force, $1 million, to now make TBC to become reality. Okay. You get the system, Abi? Because what TBC like right now is funding. What they lack right now is funding. And the reason why they lack funding is because government does not support TBC. It is people that support TBC. The money you are paying, the money I'm paying, every month I pay 20,000 naira. The money you are paying, it is the money they use to build the system. I don't think if you be paying 60,000 naira in the next 10 years, it can reach like 10 million naira. I don't think it can reach 10 million. Can it reach 10 million?
No.
It cannot reach it. So our future is bright. Your children my own unborn children, with my family, with yours too. It is up. This information I'm giving to you, it is information that people do not know. And people will look at what you people are doing, and you people are wasting time. It is not time. The world is changing. The financial global system is changing. Now, we need to dance to the same system that the world is transforming to. We're not, now you attend Zoom before. You attend Zoom now, but before you don't attend Zoom. Am I saying something? You attend Zoom now, but before we don't attend Zoom. The world is changing. You are learning, and I'm learning. And due to our effort, I think we are all going to succeed. So you people, whatever I told you people to provide for me, you should just make it as quick as possible to provide those information for me, because I'm working directly to the national coordinator. You understand? So I'm trying as means as possible to make Nasarawa, at least to let us have a standard people, to make everything work for everybody. Because once I have a standard people in Nasarawa, we are working together. We are going to lift TBC. We are going to lift people out of hungry, poverty, and misery, and all this mess that is happening. We are going to make it. Everybody will live a happy life. It is people power. Government are not allowed to be part of this system, because their own system is a corrupt system. This is the system of the people. You get the system, Abi? Now, any question again?
Please, Mr. Paul. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I have a question.
All right.
My question is, the first question is, what is the full meaning of TBC?
The billion coin.
What's the full meaning of TBC?
The billion coin.
Then,
the billion coin. The full meaning of TBC is the billion coin. The billion coin. T na D. B na billion. Do you know why na billion coin? Do you know why na billion coin?
No.
Each one TBC coins you have in your wallet, it will worth $1 billion US in the future. When the total members of TBC reach 1 billion users all over the world, it will worth more than $1 billion US. That is why it's called a billion coin.
Do
you get
it? That's the first question. The second question, this Nigeria government, the top people are oppressing people. Now, I'm afraid these people are they, if they got this information, they cannot come in and also be pressing other people.
They can
never register. Because if they got the information,
they cannot register. They cannot register. The person in charge of the whole thing in Nigeria, talk more of the whole world, have given them notice. So they have no right to come after the people, unless when you use your office illegally, that is when Nigeria government will come after you. You understand? What do I mean by illegally? You finally become the economic development chief officer in Nasarawa State, and instead of you to work to the people, and you turn it upside down, you now start working with the criminals. They now report you. Will come after you. Even Nigeria government will not leave you. So Nigeria government have no right to come to the system. This system is the system of the people. We are recruiting people. That is why I want you to present your information. I need you people at the front line. I don't want you people to come at the back line, because as I'm working with some direction from above, so that's why I want to push you people. After this call now, I'm going to combine you people now, because I don't send four badge yesterday. I'll be sending some badge to the man yesterday, and you people should be ready to go for orientation. You people should be ready for the orientation, because I told you people must undergo orientation. And how does this orientation work? How does it work? Number one, there is a video that I'm going to send to you, Mr. Oguluka.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to send to you too, Mr. Odula. Although, look for someone that have Android phone. Let the person chat to me. Someone that has WhatsApp. Let the person chat me. If the person chats me, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? This is less than Mr. Luca, can you hear me? I do finish one o'clock. When I come back 1 hour next time, hello, welcome. I can see you. Can you hear me? Mr. Adejomo, can you hear me? Your network is bad.